Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Grammarly account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Grammarly account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address grammarly.com like this and hit on enter first. And then you'll be redirected to the home page of Grammarly like this, where you can see you can sign up with your Google account for free from over here. If you click on the sign up button over here, you'll be taken to a registration process of the Grammarly. But with that being said, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a login button available for us. Simply, in order to first log into your account, simply click on login. And over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you have signed up for a Grammarly account. You can also sign into your Grammarly with your Google or your Facebook or your Apple directly. If you click on these buttons, you will be able to directly log into the Grammarly with these accounts. And that being said, guys, after entering your email address, click on continue. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter your password like this over here, guys. And after you have entered your email address and your password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Grammarly account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Grammarly account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.